Hi, this is Melody with Summit Software, and this demo is unpackaging a VSTA project within a document. Packaging allows you to store multiple files within one file in a document-centric way. The single file you're left with is much like a zip file, but with a document-like extension. Office 2007 uses this new packaging format. The package can be seen using a Package Explorer tool or by changing the document extension to zip and extracting. So before trying to add VSTA into this, let's take a quick overview of what Office does. We'll start by creating a new Word 2007 document and saving it with the new docx extension. We'll close this up now, navigate to the document, and we will rename it, giving it the zip extension, and then extract. Now looking through the package, we'll see there's a lot of different folders and files in here. Most of those you won't usually need to touch, but the main document is stored in the document XML file. Let's format that, and here we see our hello world, which we added when the document was open. We'll add another message and save this. Now going back to the unzipped package, we'll rezip this and give it the docx extension back. Open it in Word, and we see our update. The samples included with the VSTA version 2 SDK already do packaging. They package the individual drawing files into a single document file, much like Excel 2007 packages individual worksheets into a workbook file. The updated sample, which we will be demoing today, will package the VSTA project into the document file, and it packages both the source code and the compiled add-in assembly. Like other project management responsibilities, packaging is handled by the host application. So we'll start by running our host application, and for this demo I'll be using the EXE, but this is based off the Shape App Dynamic Programming Model C# sample that's included with the SDK. So we'll go ahead and start our host, and the first thing we're going to need to do is to save our document. And then to add a VSTA customization, and in this case we'll use C#. Visual Basic is also available. So the VSTA IDE comes up here, and we can access the code files for the individual drawings as well as for the overall document. So we'll add a little bit of code. Just to show that the add-in was loaded. And we'll have a shape get added to the first drawing. We'll build the add-in. And I also added seamless non-destructive debugging to this sample. So once the add-in builds, it uses the running instance of the host. Right, so we'll go ahead and save this drawing, and we will exit out of the host application. Now going to the location where we created our document file, we'll see it here, and just like we did with Word, we will rename it, giving it the zip extension, and extract it. And as we explore the package, we'll see it has a very similar setup. It has a subfolder that it's going to keep all of the drawings in, as well as a manifest and a main document. But what we're interested in is the VSTA files that you'll see here. So we'll go ahead and open up the solution, and we'll make a couple of changes. Add a different shape. And then because the compiled add-in assembly is also included in the document, we want to make sure that we build so that the assembly is updated. And then we can go ahead and close all that and re-zip the document. Place it with the original. Now we'll restart the host. We'll open the updated drawing, and we'll see the updated add-in runs. So now we've seen VSTA projects packaged into a single document file. There are many benefits to document-centric packaging, including ease of deployment. In this sample, packaged documents files can be emailed with no additional steps required for registration or add-in deployment. This type of packaging also offers an intuitive end-user experience based off the VBA model of a single file, which includes a macro project ready to run out of the box. If you're interested in getting more information on VSTA, check out sumsoft.com, where we include forums, blogs, and samples, including the sample demonstrated today. Or you can check out the SDK documentation through the MSDN site. Or feel free to contact us directly at VSTA support@sumsoft.com.